Fatigue means tiny cracks grow over many repeated loads, even if each individual load seems harmless. Fatigue is like bending a paperclip back and forth until it breaks. Repeated loading forces gradually chip away at structural strength, and without detection, cracks can grow until failure becomes possible. Strength tells you how much load a part can take in a single event, while fatigue tells you how long it can last when loaded over and over. Fatigue testing confirms that real aircraft parts survive many thousands of takeoffs, landings, turbulence cycles, and maneuvers without unsafe crack growth. Fatigue rigs cycle loads up and down thousands or millions of times to simulate decades of aircraft use in just weeks or months. Engineers monitor where cracks appear, how fast they grow, and whether they affect safety margins, so they can update maintenance limits if needed. Aircraft aren't just built strong enough for single flights, they are tested to prove they stay safe over years and tens of thousands of cycles.